Hey, welcome to Revenge of the Show, a lot of things geek, and it's Model Monday. And what model am I going to show you today? This has been out for a little while, but if you see these on eBay, they're going for a big amount of money. I'll put it here, or maybe here, or over here. I don't know, and see how much they're going for, because I don't think they're being made anymore. Should you buy this if you see them on the market? So let's open this puppy up. Whoop. So here we go. Here's the box art. Actually, pretty neat box art. If you haven't seen Star Blazers 2022, it's out on Blu-ray. You can get the whole series. It's the remake of the original show, pretty much, with improved animation. It's pretty neat. I don't know if I like the story as much, but anyway. Here is the directions. Bandai. And this lights up and makes noise and all that stuff. Like I said, it's been out for a while, but you're gonna pay a bunch on eBay. Very typical, beautifully done Bandai instructions. Base batteries. Pretty neat. Here is the LED unit. Open this up. I like the artwork on that. I mean, that's really neat. I mean, you know, that's just a box inside here, but they do a really nice job with that. I mean, most companies would just be like, oh, here's a box with this. That's your lighting unit. So here it is, out of this box finally. Took a little while. And this will make the sounds do what they have to do. Man, that looks pretty neat. Here is a buggy. Very cool front. Really nice and sharp. This the top of the ship, I believe. Get a little bit better lighting here. So yeah, that's really nice. Here is some decals, or these seem more like stickers actually. If you want to use some stickers. Legging number 2. Other parts, some type of plates, little tail back there. Geez, really nicely done. Very detailed. There's no flash on here whatsoever. I mean, it's like flash free. Now this is decals. Well, that's really nice decals right there. Here's a bunch of clear parts, and they they are as clear as just about any plastic glass that you'll find anywhere. I mean, boy, that is really nice. Here's the base. You stick this in there, I suppose. Pretty neat. Yeah, I mean, nothing, you know, special. It's a base that functions. Here is the main hull. Wow. I mean, you know, these kits, because it's an animated series and, you know, they don't go into like a super amount of detail with these ships, but there is enough. I mean, there it is. I mean, this is snapped together too. I mean, that is, there's, looks like the sides, well, a lot more detail on the sides. That is nice stuff right there. These are duplicates, the same screw, and lots of little tiny things that, of course, when you display them, they can get broken. And makes them loose. Here's some more. And that is, it's gorgeous. Looks like the front of the guns. Looks like a cat. You can see the size of the parts compared to a cat. Cats love boxes. And then this looks like it's part of the base. And that is it. That's all that's in the box except for a cat. There's a cat in a box. So out of 11, why?
These go to 11.
Out of 11, this kit is an 11. This is all day. As far as any other Star Blazers kit, this is one of the most important ships in the Star Blazer universe. And, you know, Yamoto, of course, being the number one. But this is a really, really nice kit. Hopefully the next video, you know, I might be doing an airplane video with a model kit. And thanks very much. Like and subscribe. And have a great day or night.